Hey Fayetteville PK students, Mr. Sullivan here. I am a STEM teacher up at the school and what we call a tech integration specialist. So I'm going to walk you through a couple techie things that have to do with your Schoology and Microsoft Teams accounts. First thing, you're always logging into Clever portal to get to anything that we're going to do at school this year. So step one, you log into Clever. It brings you to this page. I'm logged in as Mr. Parker here to show you guys how this works. You're going to then click on your Schoology app and it'll log you into Schoology. You have a schedule of classes that we passed out or that you received in your packets, and that schedule should help you to understand where you should be virtually or remotely. So if you're learning remotely and you know that at 9:30 a.m. you have STEM with Mr. Sullivan, then you could go to your courses and you could find that course. Okay. And click on it. So I know it's close to 9:30. I'm supposed to be in this class. And up here at the top of Mr. Sullivan's page, you see that he has a Microsoft Meetings link. So it's at the top of every page. Even in the materials, if he has stuff listed for us to do, it's still up here in the announcement. Okay, so you'll be able to see that Teams meeting. Any of the live meetings that you need to join are going to be up here at the top. And all you have to do is click that meeting and it'll give you this page. Now, we have given you devices that myself and others logged in to make sure that Teams was loaded on your computer. So when you do click this that says open Microsoft Teams, it's going to open an app with your login information. You might have to put your password in again, but it should seamlessly just go to that Microsoft Teams app. Now this opens mine because it's my computer, but you'll see your name or your profile pic or whatever it is here. Okay, so this is how you would get into the meetings. You would click the link on the Schoology page and it's going to open the app for you to join. Now a lot of these classes, when you click join now, they're going to put you into what's called a lobby, and you're going to get a message that says the teacher is going to have to let you in, and that's just a waiting room so that the teacher can get prepared for the lesson, or they can wait till most of the students are in that lobby to let you guys in and start the class. So just be patient. Once you are into the meeting, okay, you'll be able to toggle camera on, camera off. You also can unmute yourself or keep yourself muted, depending on what the teacher wants you to do. Most of the time, those cameras are going to remain off to save bandwidth at the school and in the room, so that we don't use up all the bandwidth and you start losing those videos. So just make sure you listen to what your teacher says, because they might say, hey, turn your mic on, give me a wave, or so that we can check in and visually, put eyes on you. But just be patient and listen to what that teacher wants you to do. But again, once you're in Clever, just go to Schoology, click the app, it'll open up for you. And then you want to find your course, either through the courses up here or your course dashboard, which is another way to get to it. And once you're in that course that corresponds with the time you're supposed to be in, you click on the meeting and it'll open it up for you and you can join the live class. If you have any questions, you guys can go up to the messages up here in Schoology and you could type new message and you can type in my name. It could be just Sullivan. You will see me, click on there, and you can ask me any question you want about don't be funny. and waste it. But you can ask me any questions you want about technology and things like that, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible and help you out in any way that I can. But you guys stay safe, and we will see you up here as soon as they start allowing you guys back in.